All right, second graders, if you finished all of your tasks today, you should have Thursday's Raz Kids colored in. Your writing job, number 1, your response writing, is Gloria a good friend? Why or why not? We did not have Sunday today because Sundays are only Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you didn't do yesterday's Sunday for Wednesday, make sure you go back and you do that because Sundays are very important to do. You have your practice number 2 homophones, which is attached to your packet. You have your 3 homophone IXLs. You have your read to self for 30 minutes. You have your partner reading. Remember, if you partner read for 15 minutes, then you only had to read to self for 15 minutes, but you can cross both of those out. And then if you did extra writing today, you may also cross that off. Otherwise, if you just did your response writing, then you can leave that one blank for today. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a great night, and I miss you all.